video here. Hope it didn't hurt anyone. All the way in the church? Really? What do you got there, Mustache? Did you hurt anyone today? Al, we don't want you to listen to what they're saying, Al. Look at the way they drove, peeking the railroad. How come I see 1 foot in there? Oh, it's you again. They're gonna let him or her go. This guy pulled me over yesterday.
Pull out.
He likes to pull people over.
Oh, I got it, Adam.
Well, what's the scoop?
I ain't giving you a scoop, Al.
Why not?
You were being mean last week.
Last week?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Or
When?
when I was told.
Officer Mustache, that was ever mean. When was I ever mean? When was I ever mean? You're the coolest one here. He's in a bad mood today, moody guy. He's badass, he's a cop, yeah. What did I say, Mustache? I'll be mean when? I gotta go around kidnapping people in the middle of nowhere. Being mean to him. I never said a word. Okay. I apologize if I say something about you. Bring back the story. Bring back the story that when I said it. It's You're sad. Man, what's wrong? You're the coolest. You're the coolest, Officer Mustache. You're the coolest. I'm sorry if I said anything. You're the coolest. I'm sorry if I said anything.
Gonna be nice?
I apologize.
Nice all weekend?
I apologize.
Gonna be nice all weekend?
Yeah.
Alright. Scoop is, the guy was an old pocket bike, ran from us, we're all pursuing on series, and that was it.
That's
Oh,
yours.
shit! Thanks, Al.
Yeah, you're the coolest. Thank you. Have a good day. See ya. Yeah, give it up for Mustache. Give it up for Officer Mustache. That's right. Until we see the sun again for eternity. Till we see the sun. Till we see the sun. I feel bad and telling him anything, man. I apologize if I say anything, I really do. Alright, police officer here, Mustache and Sergeant and a couple more, so see you guys later. Bye. See ya.